Before eating chicken again, watch this video carefully. What I'm about to share might surprise you, even if you think you already know everything about chicken. Every year, more than 9 billion chickens are sold worldwide. According to reports, nearly 99.9% of them come from factory farming systems. Why? Because it's cheap. A few days ago, I visited a large supermarket. While checking food items, I noticed a whole rotisserie chicken priced very cheaply. It made me think the store needs profit. Distributors need profit. So, how little is actually being spent to raise and feed these chickens? Here's a surprising fact. Back in 1925, it took around 125 days for a chicken to fully grow. Today, that time has dropped to just 47 days, barely a month and a half. How is that even possible? One major reason often discussed in reports is a system called CAFOs, or confined animal feeding operations. In these systems, animals like chickens and cattle are kept in very small, crowded spaces for large-scale production. According to various investigations, tests on factory-farmed chickens have found traces of antibiotics and other harmful substances in feathers, beaks, and claws. Some reports also mention the historical use of substances that raised serious health concerns, including compounds linked to toxicity. What shocked many researchers is that parts like feathers and claws are sometimes processed and reused in animal feed. This creates a cycle where harmful substances can re-enter the food chain and eventually reach our plates. Investigations have also suggested that traces of certain medications, including substances used to reduce stress, have been detected in factory farmed chickens. Why would animals need stress reducing substances? Because living in overcrowded, confined spaces can cause extreme stress. Some reports even claim that stimulants have been used in industrial farming environments to influence feeding behavior and speed up growth. You may have noticed labels on packaged chicken like natural, minimally processed, or vegetarian fed. Sounds healthy, right? But according to experts, much of this is simply marketing language. The so-called vegetarian feed often consists of GMO grains, such as corn and soy. Chickens are actually omnivores. In natural environments, they eat insects, plants, seeds, and grass. Globally, studies show that around 66% of antibiotics sold worldwide are used in farm animals. There is ongoing debate and research about the use of growth enhancing substances in industrial animal farming and their long term effects. Between the 1940s and 1970s, a powerful synthetic estrogen was widely used in livestock. It was later banned after serious health risks were identified, with concerns that effects could last across multiple generations. Researchers have shown that such substances may affect the endocrine system, including the thyroid, pancreas, and reproductive organs. Now, you're left with two choices. You can continue buying cheap, factory farmed chicken and accept the potential risks. Or you can choose organic, pasture-raised chicken, where animals are allowed to move freely in open environments. It may cost more, but nothing is more valuable than your health. You can even consider raising chickens yourself, if possible. This video is meant to raise awareness and share information. Always do your own research and consult professionals when making health-related decisions. This video is for educational purposes only. It is based on publicly available information, reports, and studies. It is not intended as medical advice. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to Body Truths for more simple facts about the human body. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.